Good morning YouTube and a happy new year to you all. It is the 1st of January 2019 and I thought I would start the year off as I mean to go on and get a video out straight away. This box first came to my attention towards the end of last year. Many of you know that there are filament sample boxes available in the States in which you get 4 or 5 small rolls of filament or test pieces of filament which you can then use on your machine to print something, and then if you like them you can then go to the company and purchase a whole kilo. Like I say, they've been in the States for a while. We haven't had anything available in the UK or sort of Northern Europe really that I'm aware of until this guy, a good friend of mine called Scala. I'll leave a link in the description to his YouTube channel and also to anything else I talk about during this video, including a link to how you can get boxes. Now these boxes come out once a month. You pay a month in advance, so I paid mine in December. This is the January box, and I got it delivered on the day after Boxing Day, so it was the 27th of December, which was fantastic. I believe I'm the first person to have actually got theirs and opened it. Stuck a couple of pictures on Twitter, and I thought I'd actually show you more in depth what you actually get, what the box is about, and what you can expect for your money. There is a subscription service where you get one every month and it just recurringly takes some money out of your account, or if you just like to try a box, they're £30 a month, sorry, but you can just opt in to buy one. You don't have to buy them all and have a reoccurring £30 come out of your account. You can just pay for one and see if you like it, and if you don't like it or you can't afford it the next month, you can skip that month and you can skip until such a time that you can afford another one or you feel that you want to try another one. So it leaves it very open to you. It's very cleverly put together. He's put an awful lot of work into this. It's far more professional looking than I expected it to look, to be honest with you, for the first one. So without further ado, we'll get into the box and we'll see what we get. So firstly and most importantly, sweeties. There's some Haribo, and there's a little wham bar. Of course I can't have those, but my daughter will absolutely love them. You get this lovely colour pamphlet, EU 3D mystery box for January 2019. It gives you links to all the filaments that are in the box and the 3D group which is also in the box. I'll show you in a minute. It tells you about a lucky winner. One person every month gets something extra in their box. This month it is a BL Touch smart bed leveling sensor. Unfortunately it wasn't in my box, but there you go. You know, I might fall lucky. There is also a project involved. If you don't want to do the project, that's fine. You can just use the filament, try it out, see what you think, end of. But there's also always a project. So this project, I won't show you the web address of the project at this moment. This month's project is a clock. So also in the kit he has provided a clock, working movement and battery there, so you can then follow the link in the pamphlet which takes you to his website, which has the STL files and everything you need to know to print out the clock using the filaments provided. And then you've actually done a little thing as well. So if you've got a younger family member who's trying to get into 3D printing, this box could be useful for them, as it engages their mind into actually producing something rather than just doing test print benches all the time or whatever you might do as your test print, whether it's a Cali Cat, whatever. If you're actually producing something at the end of it, it might hold their attention a bit more. So it's a good idea. It's a fantastic idea. It is, of course, coming off the back of Alien 3D in America, and I know Alien 3D has helped out massively with putting this box together with suggestions on how to do it. I'm sure about how to print this pamphlet out, because this pamphlet won't have been cheap to print. And how many do you print? Because you don't know how many boxes you're going to sell, laddie-da, laddie-dee. So I think Alien 3D has done a massive job here of helping out get this up and running, so big up to him. So what comes in the box? Well, you've got your filaments all in their individual bags, look, all with a silicate little bag in there for keeping them dry. Each one comes with a nice little description on the front of what it is, and a QR code to scan, which I'm guessing, I haven't tried any yet, but I'm guessing they will take you to the individual websites of the producers of the filament, so you can then order from there. So it gives you extrusion temperature and a bed temperature and what it is. This is the Filament Cosmic Gold PLA. Really nice filament, going to enjoy playing with that. You get a real filament yellow PET G. Again, gives you the extrusion temperature and the bed temperature. We have got some Zero Red Fire TPU, and again tells you what to do. Also, this one gives you a print speed, suggesting that you slow your print speed down to 30 to 40 millimeters a second, because TPU, being that little bit more of a flexible filament, needs to be printed slower. We have got some Prushiment Galaxy Black PLA. For anybody that hasn't had Prushiment before, prepare to be amazed. Fantastic filament is Prushiment. And in the bottom, after much wailing and gnashing of teeth, I'm not quite sure how I managed to get hold of this, because Spanner Hands had run out of everything. They had a big sale on the Black Friday, Blue Monday, whatever it is sale. Basically, he sold all his stock. And Scala was going to have some of this in his kit, and they didn't have any left. But I think Spanner Hands reached out to him, bless him, through social media, through Twitter, and said, I've got a load of samples, I'll send you them out so you can get them into your kit. So that's what he's done. So we've got this lovely PLA copper, which is a lovely, lovely filament. I'm going to enjoy using that. Then in the bottom, got a couple of cards there. These cards are for 3D Gloop PLA. Nice little bottle. Don't know how many millilitres that is in there. Probably 25 mil. I don't know. No idea. Nice little bottle. Nicely sealed up. Tells you how to use it on the cards. Fantastic. Really good. Really useful little thing. Gets you into trying to use this 3D Gloop. Again, if you're interested, I'm sure there'll be links to the website somewhere. And if not, you can just Google it. There isn't actually a link to the website, oops, on either of these two cards, or on the outer packaging. Now, there may be on the inner packaging, but I'm not going to open it just yet to find out. But I'm sure if you put 3D Gloop into Google, you'll find the website easily enough. So that's basically what's in the kit. What's in next month's kit, I have no idea. It's a best kept secret up until the time we actually start sending them out. So if I've ruined anybody's surprise with January's kit by putting the video out, I do apologise, but I just wanted to show it because I know I'd like this to become a lot more popular than it is. I know people have said, oh, £30 for a few bits of filament, it's very expensive. But at the end of the day, if you were, say, to buy a roll of this copper fill, this PLA copper from Spanner Hands, and you didn't like it, you've just wasted over £30 on a roll of filament that you're not going to use. So surely better to have 4 or 5 samples of filament that you can try, make your mind up about, nicely packaged, all put together for you, and a nice little thing to do with the family or on your own, you know, some little project that's already there and sorted out for you. And the time that it takes to get all this stuff together, brilliant. I mean, I know some companies do offer free samples, free sample little bits of filament, but I know an awful lot don't. I know you certainly can't get samples of Prusa, to my knowledge anyway. So for him to be able to put all this together for us, I think is a wonderful idea. As long as I can afford to, I will keep supporting him. There may be the odd month I won't be able to get one, but hopefully I'll do it as much as possible. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description for all the links to everything I've shown you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you know when I'm putting more content out. You can support me on Patreon. You can support me on something else. It's all in the description anyway. You don't even have to do that. But like, comment, subscribe please, and hopefully get some more videos out this year for you. Hope you're not all too hungover from last night's celebrations. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.